on the Frigidaire air conditioner that we just bought. I absolutely love this air conditioner. We had a 5,000 BTU and we needed to get something a little bit bigger, and this thing is a powerhouse. It actually makes things a little bit too cold. As you can see, it's an 8,000 BTU. It is Energy Star efficient. It says it quickly cools a 350 square foot room. I have it in our bedroom, and the cool air actually goes out into my kitchen and everything, and it does a really good job for the whole house. This is the box that it comes in. We got it at Lowe's for about $250 plus tax, and this is the actual air conditioner itself in the window. It was really easy to install. We got it one evening when our air conditioner kind of wasn't working right on us, so we just ran out. Kind of didn't know what we wanted, but we just grabbed this. And I'm glad we did, because I love it. I'll show you how to turn it on. Simple, just touch the on button. I'll let you hear it run for a minute. Okay, it's got different temperatures. You can go up with it. Up to 77. It's got an auto, high, medium, and low feature. And I'll turn it off for a second. One of the things that I really like about it is that the filter is really easy to clean. If you have two hands, I'm holding a camera here, so. Okay, there is the filter. Super easy to get in there and clean that out. Some of them you have the filters on the side, and when it's in a window it makes it really kind of awkward to get the filter out. Okay, it's really nice. I'd say it took my husband probably about not even a half hour to install this thing. Give you a close-up on the dials. Alright, well, if you're looking for something that's going to cool off part of your house, a big portion of your house, this is definitely the way to go. Even I'd say a couple of these things would be more than enough for any house. And it does come with a remote. Let's see what else. There's the side of the box. Okay, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment. Thanks. Bye-bye.